function. The school, that is the SLT Senior Leadership Team, teachers and students have put in their heart and soul in bringing this day to you all. A commendable effort, I must say. Well, talking about heart and soul, the whole team of CKS put in their heart and soul to every task performed in school, be it academics, school trips, culture activities, celebrations, science fair, annual days, or preparing questions. They are the toughest, I must say, but they are the best test papers, preparing us very well to complete. The school is like our second home, where we fight, love, play, and have lot of fun. The whole team of CKS has been like our parents, scolding, loving, pampering, correcting, and counseling us to the core. Believe me, we also have one-on-one counseling too. The school has also taken care to be accommodated all our rightful wishes and made them happen just for us to have fun and be happy. The whole CKS team has left no stone unturned to give us the best of everything. I'm proud to be a part of CKS. Well, now let's move on to the performance. We request you all to stay tuned with us till end. Thank you.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
गणपति बप्पा मोरया 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 वक्रतुंड महाकाय गणपति बप्पा मोरया सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा गणपति बप्पा मोरया 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 गण 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 गणपति बप्पा मोरया किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे प्रतिक्षणं मम
चटाटले गलच्चल प्रवाह पालितस्थले गले गलम्बलम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां मट्टमट्टमट्टमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवः हर हर शिव शङ्कर नीलकण्ठ गङ्गाधर आय शरणं ते हारे ज्ञान ऐसा विशाल बैठे हो मृग आए माथे चंद्र विराजे ना 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 na 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 na
अंत है उसका वो सबका ना इनका उनका वही है माला वही है मन का मस्त मलंग वो अपनी धुन का अंतर मंतर तंत्र ज्ञानी है सर्वज्ञ स्वाभिमानी मृत्युंजय है महाविनाशी ओंकार है इसी की वाणी भांग धतूरा बेल का पत्ता, तीनों लोग इसी की सत्ता। स्पीकर भी अडिग अमर है, महादेव हर है जत्ता। वही शून्य है वही इकाई, वही शून्य है वही इकाई, वही शून्य है वही इकाई, जिसके भीतर बसा शिवाय।
अघोराणां परो मंत्र नास्ति तत्त्वं गुरोः पराद्यम्। नगेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्मादनाय महेश्वराय नित्याशुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै कराय नमः शिवाय। शिव रक्ष माम शिव पाहि माम शिव त्राहि माम शिव रक्ष माम शिव पाहि माम शिव पाहि माम महादेव जी त्वं पाहि माम शरणागतं त्वं पाहि माम रक्ष माम शिव।
दर्शन व्हावे आता, तू सकल जगाचा त्राता, हे खुशीत गा माऊली तुझ्या पायरी ठेवतो माता।
Children, step back for the photo.
A warm welcome to all from CKS family. Today we have gathered here to celebrate our 7th annual day. In CKS, we believe that education is far more than what we see it happens in the classroom. We have curated our curriculum accordingly. So we have a lot of activity-based learning, and our teaching methods are also accordingly it is based. We participated in different activity-based programs like organic farm trip, science exhibition, sports day, then we had the taekwondo, then we had the Olympiad, and the most important, that fun-filled activity in the Ramoji Film City. So today we all gathered here to inspire the little minds, to showcase their talents, and I request you all for your kind cooperation and support to make this program a grand success. So thank you.
Fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly through the sky. Stretch like a butterfly, 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 stretch like a butterfly up so high. Twist like a butterfly, twist like a butterfly, twist like a butterfly, twist like a butter, sleep like a butterfly, sleep like a butterfly through the night, sleep like a butterfly. Fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly in the sky.
Reach for the sky, move along to the silly, silly ransom song. Oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom song, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom song, arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a ransom master, you've got to go a little faster. Oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, gooey, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a ransom master, you got to go a little faster. Oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a ransom master, you got to go a little faster. Oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a ransom master, you got to go a little faster. Oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a ransom master, you got to go a little faster. Oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, arms up high, reach for the sky. If you wanna be a ransom master, you got to go a little faster. Oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, oh, ransom, sam, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, oh, Ravi, gooey, 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 ransom, sam, arms up high, reach for the sky. Now you're a ransom master, you're a ransom master.
Respected principal, respected teachers, and my dear parents, and my lovely kids, as they are not here, but they are very lovely kids. Because since 2 months, I guess, ma'am, they are trying very hard to cope up with the parents and with teachers also, because they need to prepare for their exams, and at the same time, they are working hard for the annual day celebrations too. I appreciate teachers' effort and even students though, because there are very good coordination between teachers. I think even we are supporting you, ma'am, as parents also, because since 2 months, the day, yes, ma'am. Every day, they are like, after coming home, they are not interested to have their studies at all. They are so tired that every day they want to sleep. But they are so excited about their annual day. They are only ready like, after the annual day, we are ready for exam. Amma, we'll start our journey with exams. So I said, no, it doesn't go like that, but it should be like education and the annual day preparation, every should go online. So they are okay. My kids, they are very excited today. Even I am also excited the same too, because they are performing so well. Even the nursery kids, these are for them sleeping time, I guess. Even though they are like, even they are also excited for this day that they have to perform. They have to show to the mama what their dance is. Because these are all dances a surprise for them. Nobody are aware. Parents are not aware of what they are actually going to do. So even I am also excited. Like my daughter and my son, they are like, no, mama, we are not going to say anything. We are so like showing you the surprise things. We are having many surprises like that. And when I come to this education or the support with the teachers, that and all, this since 2 years, my kids are here. My elder daughter here having grade 5, and my younger son, he is in grade 1. So both are doing well. Why I'm saying this? Because before 2 years, I couldn't find the same change in my kids. They are in weak in some parts, maybe they are in good in something. But teachers, they are trying to find out what the good of the student. Good in sense, the way where they are in better in reading or studying or analyzing the thing, problem solving, or they are in games, whatever it is. So they are trying to find out with each and every student, counseling the student like in what they are interested. I appreciate teachers' support and encouragement. They are giving it not only with education, I can say with all-round development of the student. And one more thing is I'm trying to continue my child's education in the same school, but I'm unlucky because they're not going to start the academic next year with the new school. They are going to take, I think, more 1 or 2 years. So unlucky or lucky, she is moving to another school. But I can say that she will have the good academics next continuous because what she had growth and learning here will help her in the future. That is for definite, ma'am. The positive thinking, I can say, whole personality development of my child and the ability to think. And she has become more independent than before. I can assure you that. She is very independent now. And she can lay the strong foundation for the future. Whichever school she go now, she can do that. Because that independent ability she got with this school. So I once again thank each and every staff member of this school and the students too. Like both are now Deepika, Nivedita ma'am have told us CKS family. CKS family not only include teachers, students. I think ma'am we are also included in your family. Then only our students' future goes into a better way. Yes ma'am. Thanks a lot ma'am. Thanks a lot for each and everyone.